You're from
Hi.
you're
Good
from
morning.
India?
Yes, I'm from
Oh,
Hi friends, this is Barry in Canada.
New Delhi? Okay, so 5:25 now. 5:25 now, I see. At least I'm clear the walkway early. Yeah, at the bus stop now. Shit. One thing I'm glad say, it's not so windy this morning. But yo, I can't tell you this. You see when it windy and it snow, trouble. When it windy and snow, which is part like that. Cold plus windy. And when it windy, it snow more. It's cold, I mean. Just like, sorry. For me, when it windy, so yeah, the man they have to continuously clear the road. You know? Oh. Maybe we should get a cup of coffee. I don't have enough time. No one a bus the past me. So if you have plan for things like them, you have to expect when you come. When you have plan for come to Canada, come live. Yeah. Right now, I don't have no gloves on my finger, them freeze. Like me, this tough man. Today, I can't run a joke. Can't run a joke today with it. With the hard one. No matter what time. Yeah. No matter if at 5 o'clock, 4 o'clock you have to go work. And it has snow like this, you better get up and come out of bed. Or else you have to go sleep out the door. When bills come, when bills time, we have to pay. So reach our bus stop now. Father God, may I beg you help me by next year them time. I can't own a vehicle. Cause yo, good morning. You're from
Hi.
you're
Good
from
morning.
India?
Yes, I'm from India.
Okay. So how's it going?
Ah, you know, the snowstorm.
Well, at least you're just warm.
Hmm?
At least you're just warm.
What's wrong? This is not wrong.
No, I'm saying at least you dress warm. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, but still it's cold.
It's cold. I know, right?
Yeah.
All right. Have a good day.
You as well.
Hi, friends. This is Barry in Canada.
And you're from Nigeria.
Yeah,
Okay. What's your name?
Peter.
Peter? Okay.
I'm ready for the day.
You ready for the day?
Yeah.
Okay, I see, I see. Okay.
It's a bit
Yes, I know.
inconvenient.
Just come off my bus and I head to work. Walk to work now. I have like 5 minutes walk. So tell them, man. Always rest up over the side of farmer place. Now which farmer live. Oh. Oh. Shit. Shit. Yeah. Whew. You know a funny thing? You know, say it's not that cold to me. Not really that rare place to cross the road. So. Yeah. Don't you know, I know how long this is going to go for today. Oh. Hey, kid. Alright, people. We just reached work, but we're not supposed to use my phone inside the locker room, so I'll hurry up and change. And then when we get the first break, we sure know what I'm going. Out break time now. So show no outside look. I'll grab a coffee. time for go home now. My gears up, you know. Sure know I'm going outside. So what they are going? But to reach home, so so I'm gone. So I walk the bus stop now. I head home now. So we're outside and now wait for the bus. Friday evening say no man, I forgot to stop at Jerk Marshall and get a one soup. I know. Yo, get enough meat to get another soup today. Lucky Friday. Alright. Okay. So where in India are you from?
New Delhi.
New Delhi? Okay, so shout out to New Delhi. Okay, take care, have a good one. Okay, I'm gonna walk home now. One thing I can tell you, Indians them friendly. Friendly, them not stuck up and not like that. Yeah, man, a cool set of people. I don't know why people have bad things to say about them, but I don't have no problem with them.